Hello friends, in this short video I will explain you that how you can insert the YouTube video into PowerPoint and then how you can play the video within your presentation. So let's get started. Here I am in PowerPoint and I have a blank presentation in front of me, and from here I will go to the insert menu, and from here towards the right end we have a section called media. So within this section we have further three options: video, audio and screen recording. So under video option we will click on this arrow and then we will have further three options. First one is that we can insert any video from this device, means from our computer, and second option is that we can insert any video from stock videos, and third option is that we can insert any online video that we have the link for. So in this case we have a video on YouTube and we have a link of that video which we want to insert over here. So we will click on this option. So after that we get this window. Over here we have to insert the link of the video which we want to insert into PowerPoint. So for that we will go to the YouTube. So here is a YouTube. From here we will copy a link of any video which we will insert into PowerPoint. So for example, we want to insert this video into PowerPoint. So we will copy link of this video. For that, right click on the video and then click on copy link. So we have copied the link, and now we will go back to PowerPoint, and on this screen we will right click here and click on paste. So we have inserted the link, and after that you will see the video. Now we can see the video which we want to insert into PowerPoint. So from here just click on insert button, and after that you will see that video will appear in a few seconds. Here we have the video. Now we can adjust the size of the video, the size we want to have within our screen. So you can place it anywhere in the screen. So if you want to have in the middle of the screen, so wherever you want you can adjust it accordingly. The good thing is that we are not inserting the entire video into PowerPoint, rather we are basically linking the video from YouTube. So it will not increase size of your file, your PowerPoint presentation file, because we are not inserting entire file into the PowerPoint. We are basically linking from YouTube. So now we have inserted the video. We can test it, that how it will work during your presentation. So click on this slideshow button, and we can see that now we are in the slideshow button, and from here we can click here to play the video. So now it is playing directly from PowerPoint. So you don't need to go to the YouTube to play the video during your presentation. It is very easy to link the video into PowerPoint presentations. You can also control a couple of other options. If you click on the video you will see these two menu options. So one is the video format and second one is playback. So under video format you can do a couple of things, like you can change style of the video, you can also change height, width, and you can also crop some of the area which you don't want to display during the presentation. You can control from here, but mainly if you go to the playback area, here you can, what you can do is that you can start it automatically when you come to this slide. So whenever you will be on this screen the video will start playing automatically. If you want like that you can configure it over here. So a couple of more things you can configure within the video format. You can explore yourself, but basically this is how you can easily insert the video from YouTube into the PowerPoint, and then you can easily play the video during your presentation. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and share with others. Thank you for watching.